akosibuo so akobom Mugabe Mase ene NAPO ose F0rgive cho na story
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so akere wa comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so TikTok o comment section ho ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Ni enko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce here.
akosibuo so akobom Mugabe Mase ene NAPO ose F0rgive cho na story ni beginning ye no as usual comment no monko kan me bo video ni me won we comment na me ka say si tubu obi na enya nasam o ka bia tubu na mudi na patama na no kre ene say nipa na okofa asam ne ba na be pacho and when I was listening to him, my respect for Mugabe Mase shut up. Senior, you no wrong. You just say to bobom dako. They be me no wrong. I think on one issue be I apologize. We got it wrong. As some fare by thing. Na very serious issue. And how some of you because pen na person mudi na patem one when am mudi na mesre. Court no enye we emotions o. Mu bia another time they say na brand TV. Let me just say this before was my cockers real. Comment no the previous before Anamuza answer when did I say they'll say that's what people are saying. So if that is what people why are you attributing it to me? Who taking it honor? Because so you the man so chini ba wa kagu nfin keke twantro eko. On fair videos a man for na aka. Ana na pokansa asem aka kire mesi wo. Na bo circumstances ni na ma. Ana Mugabe abepacho na
we played an audio on this platform about a year ECG in Ashanti region, which in that year audio, no, NAPO appeared in the year audio so on Nkofobi and MPP for Nkofobi akwa meeting. Mugabe Mase amiti enya de sema betna ha aka se NAPO akwa di boni ana se ECG engineer bia yeden akwa di eye boni. NAPO is a brother. Me call London. Yemi Kuma ene Asante Babes. Bre yan former MP for Mensia South, right? Yemi Matthew Puku Prempa. Dear can say dear Yabo Hebia near Chesan. Daddy Chopan so yeden Edimano. Edo Hebia Bre on in a busuya ene Ayonkufua. Yes, eja. Yes, ni kejeni asida. Nemum prayer. Ukaboma emu ba wi ba ko na obu a eyeden ebuje NDC ni MPP yenya atamfo enyina yeto nsa yeden edidi tesi enu apanyin se a audio na ebo ha no ede ha obi abre na yesrese yetwesa audio no sai eto ko na nchen na odo a wo ye ntem da bia yetena se a ye kan ha no yehwehwe mu aya ye ekirese that said meeting no bibia sa anyeden amaso
waste management capacity improvement. Ebe cost Ghana about 55.2 million US. Component 3, a participatory upgrading of targeted flood-prone low-income communities and local government support. And no cost in 58.8 million US. Component 4, a project management. Cost near 9 million. And a component 5 near contingent emergency response component and no cost near 65 million US. Now, in 5 components in India, so when who any COVID-19 related expenditure be yes, there is nothing like that. Now, page 1 hona yentie near World Bank for Kayem. Efa a project implementation no se Ghana aban use sika ne de ye ne sese wo de ya na se wan use sika no amfa anye ne sese wo de ye na emum o divert sika ne de koye COVID-19 related expenses te send Franklin Kuju e kan wo Facebook na now o hwe paragraph 1.1 with the title development objective ehɔ na nsɛm de wo na ma me kwan me ba be kan no ate ase yi tie o say the objective of the project is to improve flood risk management and solid waste management in the Odo River Basin of Greater Accra region, improve access to basic infrastructure and services in the targeted communities within the Odo River Basin, and to provide...
What do you want for? Assembly. One sanitation bill. Anyawa. Sanitation for this sika. Yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mfa nyehwe. Na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for. Na wo je ye no. Anyawa. Sako hwe no sako shi ta. You show tonso na baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Nkwa ho ba eja hihie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Esa wo Pad. Saka wide. Wo do say Pad na na be ye bibia mo. Ntu tu hwan form omo nye adwuma no. Wo do be man kro foforo. Mfa assembly. Mfa sanitation biom. Anyawa. Sanitation for this sika. Yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mfa nyehwe. Na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for. Na wo je ye no. Anyawa. Sako hwe no sako shi ta. You show tonso na baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Nkwa ho ba eja hihie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Esa wo Pad. Saka wide. Wo do say Pad na na be ye bibia mo. Ntu tukoso no wakisin nwe. Wo chire biankasa. Se wasa akoto alumi ababi. Na do train na okoto ye no. Ni de okwafa baaye. The same thing. Wasa akoto alumi, wasa akoto kafrugban. Asa abakro mu habi. Ade na wo tete ho sa. Uno wa na kwa challenge. Train na masa akoto no. Minister of Highways and then your friend say train and hwan makoto aba no. Train dey someone twitwa na alumi as soon as possible na mo nton mo behu. Now then dey asema. Is it that it's incompetency or what? What if flighting? What if flighting mu na why say? Unkunwa wo baye. Seko
Esese gomu afọ to abama wo. Na wo ba be ye MP. Na wo ba be di gomu afọ so. Wo na wutime ba bontin be criticize nia. Government bi aye. Wonim say nia government ya ye yi. E benefit your mind no. Much more than wo government na wo praise no. Oponi hia chipo. Oponi hia chie wo Captain Smart ne si wunya MP a wo bedi. Ade na ewo MP mu. Se nye sika na wo ba be pa, wo die pa na obetumi a contribute dia ma man Ghana. Dia na Captain Smart, obetumi a contribute ade ama gomu afo. Obi onu timi ba bontin beka se MPP bete na so anye hwe. Obi a onu wa ba bontin antime me president MPP se MPP ba amambuami odin hihye bi odin nyoma bi se na odi gu akwamu mane bo man Ghana. Wonim papa so wakata wani kan bone no. Okra oti unya MP obedi na NAPO. NAPO category. Eno category eyepe. Insu atona as obi a wo so pese wo ye MP. Obi a wo so wo dwene man Ghana ho. Insu atona yiri nkofo na as obi a wo so wo dwene man Ghana ho be gina wo platform so. Akatere President John Mani Mahama se insu ato. Enti ye na ye bibi fa ho no. Wo gina
abusia ne obo kwasia pa mbre sen ne wotie no NDC for no mobile Captain Smart pass on be 20 TV so no ntwa ntronya propaganda on kansem hunu wondi atem no omo mbre sen Ghana for na they think say Captain Smart no niminyansa bi na o ka no kora no nti womutie no omo bre Ghana for na omutie Captain Smart no Omo no omo bread. Now you see about to rent I see one crime man 4 days ago. Nipa over 37 actually woman kwa. Tiense mhunu ne nkwasi asema Captain Smart Kotna TV so e kan. Hwe no uwi abra ne nkanya asem nkyere no.
De to yen enene nansa ne de nyina no. Eye nipa bone sama MPP fo di o man yi. Hwe nipa do MPP fo ma o mo.
Je na da no. Simu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na chere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the number of hospitals in the is because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals are not all right. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many of us say, hospital and a go san and no woman say. It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country was I would to me was I mean, say, almost same people for. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals, most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator me on the fund free seniors who so may comfort. You see, I ain't Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokikam Kaka. Why are they shouting? Obian cannon to them kono. I saw for no common into with the greatest of respect. Among common into them queen in a chief imam for them common to them queen in a politicians didn't come into them queen in a market women on common into them queen now. Obian cannon into them queen in a 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow no the credit scoring system, but I must open content. Nancy bibi ni na kasa de se bi ye bibi ayen ketinketi ya adwen ketinketi ye bibi ye bi invest kwa ye ketinketi. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kwa ni obi ma credit scoring system also open ketinketi. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most open ketinketi. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa and I feel them watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi me na me go catch you John Dramani ma say all members come to one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say daddy. Digitalization N0t kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E dey John Dramani ma ko gina say and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now they are kinking and we hear utilization there. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Films, eh? Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say, where I can say, Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya
Juma or da and Onya Juma or da Amanam 1 for the first time Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you be say oh the paneboa.